Hello, my name is Anthony de Berardino, Director of the Berardino Family Insurance Services. Welcome, clients, family members and friends, to the first edition of a weekly series about insurance and how it affects your business. And today, given the current climate that we're in, I thought best we talk about the coronavirus pandemic and how it affects your business and how insurers around the world, particularly the one that you're insured with, is going to respond, and how in the long term you can look at better protecting your business and saving some money, hopefully in the long run. Keep watching, keep listening, and let's get started. In 2013, after the SARS virus came to fruition, the insurers and their reinsurers did some modeling around some of the major flu and viruses that have gone around the world in the last 100 or so years. And they knew that the global funds held by insurers could not possibly meet business interruptions claims arising from such an event. So, not wishing to strip away coverage that was given to insureds from local disease outbreaks, they made a particular exclusion from policies for highly infectious diseases, and particularly in Australia, under the Quarantine Act in 1908 by the Commonwealth Government, which has been updated by many insurers in line with changes in legislation to the Biosecurity Act 2015. And so at the end of January 2020, coronavirus was a listed disease, and so all but a few policies exclude the coronavirus with regards to business interruption. This means that regrettably, generally depending on no matter who you're with, business interruption does not provide protection to business interruption arising from the coronavirus pandemic. As with a threat and any other threat, it is important to consider what risk management measures you can introduce to ensure the safety of your customers and your family, friends, and your business as well. So what I'm going to go through now is your own insurance policy and what we can do to help keep your business afloat and hopefully save you a little bit of money in the long run. Now, many people are looking at reducing costs and looking at all their bills and all their outgoings, are looking to see where they can save a little bit of money. Now, their cash flow for the majority of us is a little bit tighter. However, insurance should not be one of those, because insurance is one of those things that may be able to get you through all of this in the end, despite the fact that business interruption does not cover the coronavirus loss of business. And the reason being is because whilst you may not be trading as much, you still have quite a number of assets inside your property for the majority of the time. It takes nothing but a fire whilst you're not in there to cause a massive loss, in which business interruption will cover, as well as your fire and property damage covers, which will then cover the loss of stock and contents. So that said, here are some suggestions to try to save you a little bit of money and reduce your insurance premium. So the first thing I would have a look at is increasing your policy excess. Many excesses for insurance policies are between $250 to $500. Maybe look at increasing it to $1,000 or even more, particularly if you're a property owner. We don't recommend that you reduce your sum insured, as many insurance policies carry with it an underinsurance clause. So if you do reduce your property or asset insurance and it's found to be a certain percentage below the total cost of the building, you will only receive that percentage in the event of a claim. Do not remove statute covers such as public liability, professional indemnity, or workers' compensation. Consider premium funding on renewal. If you pay it all in full, maybe have a look at setting it up through monthly installments. And this way you can reduce the impact on your cash flow of your insurance premium. Considering dropping some covers, which whilst may be important and convenient in the event of a loss, will not largely impact on the performance of your business. For example, glass, money, or fraud and dishonesty, which is a money theft cover if one of your employees was to steal money. So they're basically some of the small changes we can make to help reduce the burden of insurance premiums on your insurance, on your overall cash flow. So there you have it. Thank you for listening. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. You know my details. I will include them in this video. You can also contact me by phone or email. Please give me a call at any chance or any stage that you have any questions. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Please do keep safe. Please do keep well. Adhere to all the measures of social distancing and cleanliness that the government and many of the medical health authorities have been recommending in this time. And of course, as I've said many times in this video, if you do have any questions or queries, give me a call. Have a safe week. All the best with your business for the remainder of the week, and I'll be doing another video next week talking about another topic. Thank you for listening to the first series of the Berardino Family Insurance Services. Have a great week. Thank you very much. I'm Anthony de Berardino.